What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Black Appeal, the Apple Guy, and today, just like the title says, this is an unboxing. Now, I've been wanting to get one of these for over a year, but went with something different because I really wasn't sure if I wanted to spend X amount of money for this. But without further ado, let's talk about what I'm going to be unboxing. This is my Peter McKinnon 25 liter version 2 everyday backpack. So this is the second version of the Peter McKinnon version that was kickstarted, I believe, back in 2021. And then when I first heard about it and saw it, just read pretty much anything I could see on YouTube about the backpack. It didn't seem like it was really the right fit for me, although it had a lot of things that I wanted. I just thought price-wise it was a little spendy, so I went with a different brand, a different backpack, but I'll compare those two in a later video. But for now, this is the one with the ladder system. So this does come with a ladder. Now, honestly, when I bought this, I really wasn't sure if it just said backpack and backpack only, or if it would come with like the ladder system and then like a dividers, because it's really confusing when you're ordering backpacks like these. Some will come with them, some don't. But I was relieved to know that this came with the ladder system. So we're going to go into the unboxing of this, and then we're just going to show you kind of the cool things that this comes with, and then just a quick comparison between this versus my backpack that it's going to be replacing. So I've already put it out of the box. So as you can see, this is what the backpack comes in. It comes with Peter McKinnon's trademark, which is Pirate. So anyone who's ever bought Peter McKinnon stuff knows that this is his own brand. I love how they bag it. It's not just kind of just in the box with a bunch of styrofoam, then that's it. It's nicely packed, and it's kind of cool. That's a nice touch. So we're just going to unzip this open, and so that is the backpack itself. So in comparison between this is my current backpack. So they're both 25 liters. This one to the left is, or should I say to the right, is my PYG Tech. This is a 25 liter One-Mo. That's the brand, that's the version of this one. And that's my current one now that's replacing this. This is the 25 liter Peter McKinnon one. As you can see, vastly different in terms of styling and what they do. So if you want to see me do a comparison between the two, just let me know in the comments below. But beyond that, yes, they're both the same size in terms of 25 liter versus 25 liter. Now, the reason I bought this over another version or any other brand was this one reason. That is what I want. So I have not seen this on pretty much any other backpack. At least when I bought the One-Mo, there wasn't any other backpack that did this. And I think that's actually kind of ingenious. I don't know why a lot of companies don't include this in at least in a version of a backpack. Now, I'm not saying that it's something that you need in a backpack, but for me, this works perfectly fine. Like I said, there isn't going to be a backpack that's going to be the backpack to end all backpacks, because everyone's going to be different and what they use their backpacks for. Now, with my One-Mo, I use it not only for just my camera stuff, but as an everyday gear. So everything that I could think of that I would put it in. So when I go shopping, or if I'm going out to put something and I'm going to like a fast food restaurant, I can throw things like that in my backpacks. This is going to be the same thing with this one as well. It can do all of that just like my other camera or backpack, but a little bit more. But this is the reason why I bought this, was because of this. When I'm at the drive-thru at McDonald's or Burger King, I know this is going to sound weird, but when it comes to wanting to put fast food in my backpack, the limitations I have with my One-Mo is I don't have that option. So in order for me to do that, this is just an extra pouch that you put stuff in. I literally have to lay my backpack down, unzip it, and then, kind of do it that way. Or I can just kind of have it halfway zipped and then do it that way, and hopefully I don't hit on this laptop pouch and do that. And for a while that was working okay, but that's a limitation that this has that the Peter McKinnon backpack does not have. So if you want to see me do a comparison between the two backpacks, just drop a comment down below and I will make a video for that. So let's continue on with this. So as you can see, you get cool little zippered pouch, so you can put stuff in this like cords, plugs, pretty much power pack, anything you want to put camera gear wise, you can put in that, and that'll store perfectly fine into this. We're continuing with the outside. So you get two little types of, these are your water bottle holders. And what I love about these is that they're magnetic. So when they're not used, they just kind of just perfectly mount just like that, which is actually kind of cool. And I get them on both sides. Now again, with my one mo, I only got a pouch on one side. So say if I got my hands full and I got a bottle or like a soda in there and I don't want to throw it in my backpack, I was kind of stuck with my one mo. I didn't have another pouch to do that. With this one, I could put one here, one there, and then poof, I don't have to worry about it. My hands are free and I can pretty much just carry what I need to. So you got some little ties here. So if you have a tripod, you can tie this around to your tripod and then keep that in place. You actually have it on both sides, as you can see, which is actually kind of cool. And I've heard a lot of YouTubers talk about the straps, the handling and the straps, as they're like kind of stuck together. So when you pick it up, it lifts this up. And every backpack that I've ever had something like this similar. So to me, I don't really care about that. It doesn't bother me none, but for most, it does. So if that is an issue or something that might be a concern to you, then I wouldn't buy this just on that. But aside from that, I doubt seriously if it's really going to bug me that much, if any. It's pretty sturdy anyway. I love the paneling or the padding on it when you lift it up. It's actually pretty nice to handle. And so you get the backpacking part right here. So this is going to be your padding for your back, so it allows a lot of airflow. And as you can see, let me unbuckle this. So as you can see here, you have your, obviously your Peter McKinnon little type of logo there. Now, I don't know if these actually come off. I've never seen anybody take these off. Not exactly sure why you would do that, but it'd be kind of interesting to see if they did. Not exactly sure what type of usefulness that would have, but you do get your chest clip, so that would clip to your chest, so it'd be a little bit more secure. It looks like you've got straps here that you could probably use for something. Now the back, the padding itself with the shoulders is actually pretty good. I mean, it's pretty thick compared to my other one. This is actually much thicker than the one I have on my one mo. So that's that. And so we're going to go into, I believe this is the laptop one. Yes, so this is the laptop compartment, so you can obviously put a laptop in there. And that's actually kind of nice. So let's see. A lot of zippers. So I don't know really which one I would use. I'm trying to figure out which one I use so I can unzip the whole thing without unzipping this again. But it looks like it's going to be this one. So I do love the zippers. The zippers are really nicely touched. They're nice to hold this plastic right there, so you can grip on it without it, having to feel all, zippery. A little molding right there. So, and on the inside, so looks like you have some padding right here. So you can have some little pouches right here, again, to store any of your camera gear. You simply just unzip, open it up, and then that folds back in there, which is actually a nice touch. I love the pad. You can feel the padding on the back side from this. You can feel how nice padding that is. And that's that. So this is the ladder system. So this comes with what is known as a little ladder system. That's a little pouch that was just in the front. So you simply would just zip that up, and then it gives you a little bit more storage. I'm guessing the way, it's magnetic too, which, I didn't know that. So looks like this, you can slide this on the inside, and that's actually kind of cool. I did not know these were magnetic, to be honest. I thought they weren't. I'm assuming that's how that works. Otherwise, it is magnetic. There is some sort of magnets on here. Oh, so there are magnets right there. So I'm guessing that's how that works. So if you didn't want the ladder system altogether, looks like you just push down on that, and then that just comes out, and that gives you more storage. And it's actually pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's actually much better felt than which is on my other one. And I'm knocking the one mo. It's an amazing backpack, but compared to this one, actually, it's kind of nice. I love this though. I like that. That's actually kind of dope. So we're just gonna pop this back in. I'm guessing this goes in the same way it went out. You just press these little buckle things in between this, and then you just push that back through, just like such. And you do it with the other one, although I doubt seriously I'll be taking this out. I think I'll be leaving this in here for the remainder of the time that I plan on keeping this backpack, which will be for a long time. I don't plan on getting rid of this. Like I said, not all backpacks are the one all to end all for everyone, but this one is certainly going to be it for me. So it's like I just push this back up, That's how that works. And then this, and then I guess you just attach these back to the little metal thingies, and then that's pretty much what she wrote. So we're gonna attach these back like such, just like that with that. And I guess these somehow go on the inside of the flap, or they might go on the outside. I'm not really sure, but we're all putting them back the way we had it before, at least the way I think it works. And then we'll just end it from there, like such. Voila. I think that this either goes on the outside, which is what I'm guessing that does, and then we'll just zip this up, and then we'll take a look. And we're just gonna unzip this again, and then we're going to see, yeah, I'm guessing that's how that works. So that magnetic thing, so there are magnets on the end of these that keep that magnetized to that. And so I'm guessing that's what that's for. So that is everything for the unboxing of the Peter McKinnon 25-liter everyday backpack. Now again, I've been wanting to get one of these for over a year. Now that I have one, I'm actually looking forward to having this for many, many years. Now, like I said, if you want to see me do a comparison between this and my One Mo, just leave a comment down below. But that is everything for this. And again, I want to thank everybody for watching. And my name is Black McKinnon, the Apple Guy. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Take care. Happy holidays.